It's been 3 months since I got fired from my trucking job, and a lot of y'all want to know what's next. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish back with another video, and as y'all can see by that title, it's been 3 months since I got fired from my CDL trucking job, and I've been getting a lot of questions from y'all over these past few months. Y'all been asking me if I'm gonna get another trucking job. Am I still going to be doing trucking? Y'all just want to know like my next moves and what my thought process is. So I'm gonna talk about all that in this video. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. And like I said, man, it's been 3 months since I got fired. And to answer y'all question, am I done with trucking? No. Will I get back out there? Yes, but only time will tell. I've been really just taking this time since I've been unemployed or whatever to really work on myself and just make sure that I'm in good spirits, bro. Make sure I'm in good spirits. Make sure my mental health is all right. And that's just been the main things I've been worried about lately, bro. Is just making sure that my mental health is good. Because if I'm being real with y'all, bro, my mental health is like it's horrible, bro. Like I be stressed out. I be I be going through depression, bro. It's a lot of stuff that I go through that I don't even like. I have not showcased or talked about in none of my YouTube videos ever. Like I never talked about this stuff. Well, actually, I'm lying. I probably talked about it probably like once or twice, but that's beside the point, man. I've been working on my mental health these last couple of months because I never really had the time to really just sit and really work on myself. You know what I'm saying? Because like y'all know, I went to the military for, like straight out of high school. I was in the military for 3 years, active duty. Got out the military. Then I got my CDL, joined the reserves. Then got hired on at Swift, and I was working there. Like I was just constantly on the go, constantly on the go, constantly on the go, and I never really had the time to really just sit there and try to deal with try to deal with my mental health and try to get myself together. You know what I'm saying? Like I never really had that time to do that. And to be real, even when I was on the road as a truck driver and I was making all these YouTube videos and doing all this stuff, I was not there mentally, bro. Like I generally was not there mentally. What did I just say? I was generally not there mentally. LOL. And like I told y'all in like previous videos when I was dropping every single day, man, doing YouTube and making videos is like literally that's my outlet. I love to make videos. I love making content. That's why I was on that little bro. I went 4 months straight uploading every single day. That's why I was doing that because that right there was my coping mechanism. That right there was what was keeping me going. You know what I'm saying? That was my motivation to keep going and keep doing things. That was my coping mechanism. You also know that I love to go bowling, bro. Like I love to go bowling even though it puts a little harm on my body, you know what I'm saying? Because I got stuff going on in my body. Like I got back problems. I got a messed up disc that I get sciatic nerve damage in both of my lower hips and my butt, and they go down to my legs. Like I get stuff like that here and there. So I got that. I got bowling. My video game, bro. I love playing my video game, but now I done cut down on playing my game because it's like, I don't know. It really ain't as fun as it used to be. And then, of course, driving, which is why I got into trucking, which is also why I went and upgraded my car from the BMW that I had to another BMW because I just love driving that much. So, like, all of those things, bro, like, those are my coping mechanisms that I just love to do. Oh, and also working out. Like, I love doing those things, but it's like, even though I love doing those things, it do not take away from the fact that when I'm not doing those things, I'm still in a dang on mental crisis. Like I'm still thinking about stuff. My mind be racing at 1,000,000 miles per hour. Like no joke, bro. Like this is nothing to be joking about. Nothing to be just sitting on here, just being funny about. Like this is stuff that I really go through. You know what I'm saying? Like I go through it, and since I done got fired, I done had time to just at least try to work on myself. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been starting to go to church. I go to Bible study. I've been trying to really like lock in on meditating and trying to just do things that are good for my mental health. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much about it, bro. Like that's really all it is. Even like even if I was able to get back out on the road, because like I told y'all in a couple other videos, like after I got fired, y'all know I was trying to go hurry up and apply for another job. I was like really willing to get back out there. I was trying to apply for companies, and every company was telling me that I gotta wait 6 months before I can get back out there after being terminated. It was just a whole bunch. Like not even CR England would take me, and Western Express, and those supposed to be like the top two companies that'll take you. They wouldn't even take me because of my termination and the reason for my termination. They told me like, unfortunately, you gotta wait 6 months. Blah 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 blah. It was just a whole bunch, and I was like, you know what, man, forget it, bro. Like, forget it. I'm not even gonna stress about it, and I'm just gonna leave it in God's hands, bro. I'm gonna leave it in God's hands, and I'm just gonna take this time to gently work on myself, bro. Like, gently work on myself, and that's just what I've been doing, bro. Like, y'all see, I get on live here and there, and I get a lot of y'all that comment this all the time. Or are you done with trucking? Or you can get back out there? Woo woo woo. I'm just gonna let it all just. I'm gonna leave it all in God's hands, man. And when I feel like I'm there mentally to get back out on the road, then I get back out there and I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna start fresh. You know what I'm saying? Like, I still got my CDL, I still got my physical. My physical don't expire till 2027, so I'm good. It's just me personally. I feel like I'd be a hazard if I was to get back out there on the road, especially after me already been out there on the road and already knowing what it's like to be a truck driver. Like, me actually going out there and getting a hands-on experience and knowing what it's like to be out there on the road. I feel like going out there now, especially with what I got going on, I really would not be. I would not be good mentally to go out there on the road. So that's where I'm at right now when it comes to trucking. I know it's kind of like a big bummer, bro, because a lot of y'all, I did not realize the amount of support that I have from y'all, man. Like, I have a big, like, even though I only got like what 11K subs, I have a big support base that y'all really rock with me, bro. Like, a lot of y'all be DMing me and stuff and asking me a lot of questions. I generally did not realize the amount of support that I have when it came to me being a truck driver in general. Like, I did not realize. So I really appreciate all of y'all, and like, I don't know, bro. I'm all over the place. Like, I see my mind is going at 1,000,000 miles right now. Like, it's going at 1,000,000 miles right now. But I genuinely appreciate and love all of y'all, bro, for that. Like, a lot of y'all be hitting me up and just making sure I'm straight. And I appreciate that. But that's pretty much it, man. Like, I want everybody to get on here and just ramble, and talk. That's all it is, man. When I feel like I'm ready to get back out on the road, y'all will know. Trust me, y'all will know, because of course I'll probably make a video about it, and I'll probably show y'all my journey all over again. But I'll probably do it at a smarter and better rate that is healthy, at a healthier rate, I should say. But yeah, man, it's been 3 months. I got 3 more months until this whole probation period, or whatever you want to call it, is up, until I can get back out there on the road if I choose to. But until then, man, I'm genuinely really going to work on myself and just take this time to just get right, man, because it is a mental battle every single day, bro. Literally, it's been a mental battle every single day. Since I have not been as busy as I normally would be, it's been a mental battle, bro. Like, I've been like, my mind literally races at 1,000,000 miles per hour. I cannot like stress this enough. My mind literally races at 1,000,000 miles per hour. I be thinking about all type of stuff. I generally don't know why I do it, but it just happens. And it's like, I don't have no control over what I be thinking in my brain sometimes. Like, I generally don't. So yeah. That's all it is, man. That's all it is. Again, I really appreciate all the love and support from all of y'all, bro. Like, literally all of y'all. Even down to the people that be doubting and just ready to talk when I make a mistake here and there. Like, even y'all, bro. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's all I got for this video. If y'all enjoyed it, man, make sure you like, comment. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I think I might start making more videos here next couple of days, just opening up to y'all a little bit more on some things that I've been like dealing with or going through, just so I can like enlighten y'all a little bit, just so y'all can know a little bit, know a little bit more about me and just know my story. But yeah, I will see y'all in another video. Your boy Fish is out. I love everybody. Wish y'all have a good day. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying.